Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be showing you our contemporary stay for the weekend room tour. And we have a little surprise view in there.
Okay, let's go.
Oh.
What is? I have no idea.
Balcony. Don't worry about that.
I was trying to show the bathroom.
We'll show the bathroom next. Frozone. Frozone is on our bed. Do you see this? Let's look at our view.
Look at
This is a surprise
butt.
view. Magic Kingdom, Castle, Space
God,
Mountain, Tron. This is beautiful. Look at the Christmas tree right in front of us, directly in front of us. This is so pretty. This balcony is actually quite big. Look at the spacing. I'm all the way at the corner. It has one chair here,
all the way at the
a little table.
Yes, and I'm in the middle.
Thank you, Brandon. Now show us the room. So wait, let me look at the room from this angle. Dylan?
We have the Frozone
Dylan.
pillow.
So we have two queen-size
Signature
beds.
Frozone pillow.
Signature Frozone pillows.
And this
Actually really nice.
is Mickey pillow.
Each, look, there's a little reading night light on the side of the beds.
We have Mickey towel.
Two USBs.
Mickey.
Don't mess up the Mickey towel. That's my favorite part. Oh, Dylan. Wow, Dylan
We
messed
have
that
some
up.
select packs here. These are for me.
Wait, this looks really nice. This actually turns into a bed, I believe. I'm not sure. Look at the wall. It has like the mask. I hate that they don't put our last name because it's hyphenated, so they always put guest. It happened to us on the cruise. Here's a little hidden Mickey on the bed.
Oh, guys, it's not Mickey anymore.
Okay, look at the room angle from here.
Go ahead.
Very nice. A nice little sitting area.
We have the coffee machine, and then we have the storage.
Coffee machine. Okay, so look at the decor here. How nice.
Oh my god.
Safari tour. There's a safe. Open that for a second so I can show the storage. There's some drawers.
Oh, that's amazing.
Is this a fridge, Brandon? Open it.
I believe so, man.
Show me.
And it is. Okay, guys. So this is the fridge.
Wow.
Guys, time for the bathroom.
Brandon, there's a room next to us.
Show you our bunk bed.
There's a little closet area here as well.
Guys,
Dylan, let me show the bathroom. Really good storage area. Dylan, I cannot believe you. Open this little toilet room so they can see. Please, Dylan. Okay, so there's a room there with a toilet. Nice little jack. Really, really nice spacious shower. Brandon, walk in there so we can see the size of that shower. Guys, what?
So, the last part of our room is really big.
Look at the sink area, how nice.
Really,
Really big what?
Bunk bed. And it's in here, baby.
Brandon, that's someone's room. Stop it. We're still in.
So, guys, we'll see you in the next video.
Actually, tomorrow morning,
Tomorrow morning?
we're going to show them our view from the balcony during the day.
We got the lighting, perfect lighting. You can see everything and not in the dark when you can't see anything. Common sense. So that's it for the video. Alright guys, before we end off the video, give me that camera. We're gonna smack the phone straight into the Frozone pillow.
No, we're not.
So we're gonna say
Hidden Mickey. And we're going to say...
peace. Later, taters.